Ini chigumbu chandinacho, I really feel like killing my wife than myself. I'm a bitter man who has a secret bottled in me that is slowly eating me. I feel I've been robbed and used. Nyaya yangu yakamira yakadai so. I'm 40 years and I've been married for 15 years and I have 2 children. I had an affair with another woman for 4 years and I successfully kept it from my wife. Last year, this girlfriend said she wanted a baby, so we stopped using protection, but she wouldn't get pregnant. She became depressed and suicidal, so I calmed her down. Last week, ndikaenda naye kuna doctor kuti anoonekwa, and the doctor said hapana chakaipa paari. I suggested timboita zvekumasowe, but the doctor insisted kuti neniwo ndiongororwe. I didn't see the need, but I did it anyway. It turned out ndine problem. I was told handizvare. I'm trembling with rage as I write. Dai ndaiva nemwana 1, I would understand kuti maybe mudzimai pandakamuroora akangoti imimba yangu iyo yaive yemumwewo. But pane vana vaviri, so she slept with another man or other men tiri tese and fell pregnant. I have not asked her yet, and it's a week now. But ndirikunzwa hasha dzekuti I can kill her and kill vana vake than myself. Ndodini hama ndibetsereiwo.